Betty. Today we're gonna be building a grill for my sister's birthday. Yeah.
It's my birthday.
You'll put this in your mouth. Watch your feet.
My birthday.
Hey, be careful around here.
I told her to go somewhere so she can
Be careful, you might scratch your foot.
Oh, so he's funny. Yeah.
Oh, by the way, that's my dad.
That's right.
What's up, babe?
What up?
That's my grandma. What's that piece? You listen to these?
I hope not.
We are missing a piece. We bought this for nothing.
He's got to tell him to see.
Yeah.
Leave that right there.
Huh?
That's fine. You can leave that right there.
Well, I was just about to sit.
Let you go.
I'll leave it right there. Move the wheels.
Well, that's the one hired. Oh, I thought that's the one
Please
that
don't tell me
you had good rapport with.
So we gonna roll it inside of here and roll it in there.
Gotta find a solid piece. It gotta be around here somewhere. That's gonna be this piece. This one. This one. This one. I thought that got holes in it.
He'd be a fire
It'll have holes in it.
What you doing? Go over there. Get out the way. Wait, Grandma. Look, you. That's the door.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, the sound. Where is that piece? I feel like it's like right in my face, but I can't see it.
Believing is to get no tiger.
Hey guys, we're in a den. I'm recording on my phone.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
The living room is all the way over there. See the living room over there. We're missing a piece. Missing a piece. Why do that, but yeah. Let me get closer because. Okay. So if I do a video, it's gonna be right here on the flat screen. TV. I got a really big flat screen. I got a giant, big flat screen TV.
Who's that?
But yeah, Mario, get out the video. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna be doing all my gaming on the couch. So yeah, you guys. This is where I'm gonna be doing all my gaming, and I don't know, my gaming setup is gonna be like move, and just like get a basement or. Hey Dad,
What?
can we try to find a house with like a basement and garage? The garage can be your man cave and a basement, and my room is my man cave. Well, the basement is my recording station. But I gotta get my gizmo stuff and everything, and we gotta get the Wi-Fi.
We missing a piece, man.
So we bought this for nothing. Oh my God. So we bought this for nothing and it's missing a piece. Well, we bought it for something, but it's missing a piece. Psh, man. I thought we have a grill. Did you hear me, Dad? I thought we already had a grill. How come you can't use the little one? Right there. I'm pulling all the stuff off the DVD player. And now my dad is gonna talk for the video. Yay! Dad, so what you gonna talk about in the video?
Enough, I'm trying to find this piece.
Let's talk to the viewers, Daddy. Talk to the subs. What? Where'd it go? Hold on, you guys. I'm right back.
Maybe missing a piece.
We remote slam. We remote slam. Where's the Wii U? Naya, where's the Wii U?
Huh?
Where's the Wii U?
It's right there.
No, that's the Wii U. Oh, that's the Wii controller. Where's the Wii U? You guys can see no reflection.
Oh.
Dang.
Oh.
So we got a standard whiteboard here. Stop back. It's my recording space. I think I just recorded this video for nothing. For girl, move night. But yeah. Hopefully I can do another video today. Till I upload this and do something. No, stop it. I'm gonna wipe you with your own spoon.
Got it.
You finally got it.
Got it.
You got it.
No.
Oh yeah. I showed you that a long time ago. You said no.
A storm warm.
Someone said,
Yeah,
"Oh,
yes, ma'am. No, that good stuff. Talk to Elle? Have you talked to Elle?
Welcome back to Get Their Channel.
You don't
Today we're going to open this
Naya,
filming.
Naya, go record on your channel. Go record on your YouTube channel.
No.
I'm gonna make you one.
You gonna make me one?
Yeah, go in your room.
I know you were.
Come on. Let's go in your room. So
You gonna make one?
So you can make me one?
we'll get your tablet.
Oh, okay.
Hurry. Run.
What about?
Run. Now you run. Bunta, 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 bunta,
Yeah, where's she at?
bunta, bunta, bunta. Oh my god, I'm so weird. So I think my little sister's gonna be recording like right here. Like right there. So, where's your tablet?
I don't know.
Grandma, where's your tablet? Hold on, I'm help.
Oh, read it.
Never mind,
Oh, so she's gonna read the real one.
I'll make you one.
You made me one on your iPad?
Yeah.
I'll make me one. I'm gonna say, hi guys, welcome back to Get Their Channel. Today we're going
Okay, now where you want to record it? Right here with me,
uh-huh.
beside me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go.
This my spot.
You never seen
Yeah,
it?
so I'm
Come on, buddy.
Is it okay if Nike can have a YouTube channel? So she can.
Oh.
Oh
You
yeah,
got a cat.
yeah. I was looking at little kittens.
I
That's why I
was
told you I'm a cat person.
So who
Dad,
called her mom?
I'm a cat person. I'm a cat person too. Xavier. Xavier. I'm a cat person. Xavier, I'm a cat person.
I don't know.
You and me are a cat person.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna get my little sister go
Where's she making
YouTube account.
That's your new iPad.
She ain't got good sense.
Now go to the picture.
That's why she ain't got good sense. She got book sense. She going to see her dad and don't know who he is. He don't know her. He might just get him.
Yeah, so now he's gonna have her.
Go to the picture. Go to the picture. And
Now you wait. What you want? You wanna be a Naya Williams?
Mhm. I always get into What is that sound?
Yeah, put it on YouTube. My son is not helping me at all.
Well, I'm not helping you.
Record that.
What? Okay. What you want? What you?
I want to be a 9
Naya 612.
Xavier, you're going to the picture. Did it?